All right. So if you see, this is the use case. We need to show the supermarket data set, and using this supermarket data set, we need to create a gross income calendar, and that calendar is only specific for the February 2019. Right. So just go to Tableau. All right. So till now, you know how to get the workbook here, sorry, Excel file here. Just connect with your data and browse your supermarket and create a data model and just come to the sheet. You will be able to get this. Now, what the use case is saying is create a weekly gross income calendar. So we know it's a weekly basis, and from where we'll get a week is from the date. So hierarchy is like year, quarter, month, and week, and then day. So once you get the date column on the column shelf and a date column on the row shelf, because I need to create a calendar. So in the calendar, I have 7 days, right? Monday, Tuesday. And similarly, I will have in a month a week number. So I know that all will come from the date column, both the things. So go to here. This is column shelf. So just convert this into, go to move, or we can go here, convert it into maybe I can take weekdays from here. So it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday till Saturday. And I know here, from here, I need to get the week number. So again, go here, select the week numbers. So it will give all the week numbers which we have in a data set right now. And we want for February 2019, just for one particular month. And year is 2019. So again, take this date column and bring it on the filter shelf. I know what I want is month and year, because I told you before when we were discussing about the filtering, right? I've told you that when we bring the date column on the filter shelf, it will expand with multiple options. And out of this, which option is we want to use is depend upon us. But now the combination that we want to filter is month and year. So just click on this and select February 2019 out of this. Okay, click apply and okay. So now you will see in that particular month, I have 5 weeks, and it will be or 7 days in a week, right? So it is showing like that. Now bring your gross income column to the maybe on the text. If you want to show in the text, also you can get it on the color. Make it square, right? So you see it is filled with the number also, and it is filled with the color. The one which has highest, the one which has the darker shade has the highest value, and the one which has the least shade has the least value. So it is clear, right? So just understood the concept. So I have told you if it is a calendar, so in your picture it should come automatically. That's definitely I need the a day from Monday to Saturday. So try to take it, and from where you will get it, you know, it's a date column anyways, because it's a hierarchical data. So I need to go, and I have told you, when you go and expand the column, right, you will get all the option: year, quarter, month, day, and everything weekday. If you go to custom, you can just select what you want to use it. So similarly, from here we can get the weekday and the week number, because in a month is split up into the week number, weeks. I have 4 weeks, or maybe I can have 5 weeks in a month. So I want to have week number and splitting the data for each day in a week. Right? Got it? So this is very good visual. Yeah. If you want to, if the requirement is like that, you want for the report a weekly, weekly wise, you want to monitor your data. Because generally when we go in the higher role, also being at a higher, maybe you're handling multiple sprints and all, those are weekly sprints or something. So you may have the backlogs. You can again categorize your data, right? You can have backlogs, you have the task in progress, you have something called completed. So you just categorize your data, and maybe you can use that. I can get another column here. Maybe I can split this week number and bring it again, or I can get that completed, or in a color side, I can color my task or my this thing, the progress backlog. So you can use this weekly report anywhere, and it's easy for you to send to the management level, higher level, just to show them what is the status, right? Just color that and show in the good thing. So the darker is a color, the darker one are block, maybe in the backlogs or are completed one. So likewise you can color on the basis of the the status column. So during those things, so this weekly report, generally you can use it tracking anything, or so I hope you guys are clear with this.
Yes, got it.
So try to create this today by yourself, what I explained, and publish on the Tableau public, and give me the link. I will check your homework, whatever I explained. Then once you publish that, then I will share the demo file, like the solution file that I have with me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.